Doing a little work on the Alfa Romeo Giulietta today. And today we're going to address some fuel cap issues. So one fun thing is that it doesn't like to open. There's a release in there, a spring-loaded one, and there's a hinge on the front. You can see it's wobbly. The plastic hinge in there is broken, so we'll be replacing that, as well as the fuel cap, because the tether is broken, and an old fuel cap can lead to engine codes coming up because it doesn't seal correctly. So we'll open this up and have a look inside. First thing we'll do is open it up. So it's just a little catch in there. It's a little flathead screwdriver, and I need to just pop this open. There we go. So what that was, so this plastic catch is not releasing properly on the little bit there. Anyway, we will look at that in a minute. First off, we're going to remove the fuel cap. So it's the rubber on it looks quite perished, and I don't want to get the fuel codes for that. And we're going to take this out because, see, this is all wobbly. That hinge is broken. If your fuel cap still has a tether, you want to undo that, and that is just that pin right there. You'll push it up and then remove it. Of course, ours is broken. And then you want to get this screw out here. Careful not to drop it. And this whole liner comes out. This may be a two-handed job. There we go. That is out. Now you can see now that is the plastic hinge pin that's broken, that white one. So we'll just remove that. That's the drain we have, so it drains the water out, and we'll give that little edge a wipe down as well. So we've got our new hinge here. There's a part number. I'll put that down in the description. Now I got these from a guy in Sydney at Eddy Speed. They got them in quite quickly. And then there's a new fuel cap as well. That's the genuine one. And that's the part number. I'll be putting that in the description as well. So that's what it looks like. We just wiped it down. That's the drain for excess fuel. It comes out in the fender somewhere. And we will have a look at this here. So looks like I snapped off some little brackets when I was ripping it out. I can't see where they get attached to, so I don't know how well they hold anything in, but obviously must have done something. Now the pin. Okay, so there's a metal wire on top. You see how that's mounted there, just kind of hooked in. So we'll undo that and we'll push this, what's left of the hinge, that pin, out of there, and put in the replacement. That comes with a new wire as well, which is cool. So a little spring clip. So we'll just push out that old pin. So you can see it there. It's just a small screwdriver, and we should be able to just push it back out. There it goes. That is the broken hinge. Actually, there's nothing in there now. So if you want to, that's when you can now take this out, but obviously we're putting a new one in. Have a look at, so it doesn't scratch on the ground, how this wire, okay, that just clips on like that. That's easy enough. So we'll get this assembled. Here's the new one. Now it isn't not round, it's quite oval, so we'll line that up. Probably only one way that, yeah, there's only one way that fits in, like that. There we go, the little teeth have locked in there. And now we'll replace this wire with a new one. Ah, nice and firm with a bit of spring loadedness to it. Great. So I took this is just, now that it's unscrewed, you can remove it here. Took it out, gave it a little clean. There's a bit of dirt on it. And put it back in. Cycled the locks, which controls this. And there we go. We now we have that fixed, so that now pops up nice. And so that's an easy fix. Didn't have to replace that. I have seen that need to be replaced, but maybe it's a lot of corrosion. We don't really get corrosion here, so it's just a little clean up and remove whatever dirt was blocking it. Time to refit it. Okay, we'll start by, I guess, connecting that little hose again. That just pushed through. And dropping that corner in. Putting back the screw. There we go, that opens nicely and it's not floppy, so it won't be rattling around. Now it's time to do the new fuel cap. So a new fuel cap comes with, obviously, the cap, a new pin, and then the tether. So we'll put that back in. That'll be easy enough. That just pushes in the hole, clips. Yep, there we go. New fuel cap. Done. That is how you replace the fuel door hinge and the fuel cap on an Alfa Romeo Giulietta.